Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use a medium-duty paint sprayer. First, always prioritize safety by ensuring your workspace is well ventilated and all surrounding areas are thoroughly masked. Next, securely attach the high-pressure hose to both your sprayer unit and the spray gun itself. Choosing the correct spray tip is crucial. For most medium-duty tasks, a 412 or 515 tip works well. Finally, prepare your paint by pouring it into the hopper or connecting the suction tube directly to the paint container, ensuring it is properly mixed and strained. Now that your sprayer is set up, it's time to prime the system. Submerge the suction tube into your paint and switch the prime valve to the prime setting. Turn on the sprayer and let the paint circulate until all air is completely purged, indicated by a steady stream of paint. Next, set your pressure to around 1,500 to 2,000 psi. Before tackling your project, always test the spray pattern on a scrap piece of cardboard. This helps you achieve an even, consistent fan pattern, preventing drips or streaks on your actual surface. When spraying, consistency is key for a professional finish. Hold the spray gun approximately 10 to 12 inches from your surface, maintaining this distance throughout. Use smooth, even passes, overlapping each stroke by about 50% to ensure complete coverage without lines. It's vital to keep the gun perpendicular to the surface. Avoid arcing your wrist, which can lead to uneven paint distribution. Remember to release the trigger at the end of each pass to prevent excessive paint buildup and drips, ensuring a clean, uniform application. Proper cleaning and maintenance are essential for extending the life of your paint sprayer. Immediately after use, flush the entire system with water or the recommended cleaning solution until it runs clear. Disassemble and meticulously clean the spray tip, gun filter, and any other removable components. For long-term storage, circulate a pump protector fluid through the system to prevent corrosion and keep seals lubricated. Finally, store your cleaned sprayer in a dry, temperature-controlled environment, protecting it from extreme temperatures and ensuring it's ready for your next project.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.